All right, folks, it's a beautiful Tuesday out there. Definitely enjoy today's weather while we have it, because we are gearing up for a bit of a messy one tomorrow. And just in from the National Weather Service, we do have a winter weather advisory now back across our western counties along and west of Interstate 81. This winter weather advisory takes effect 5 a.m. tomorrow morning going until 4 p.m. on Wednesday. That includes Hagerstown, Martinsburg, Winchester, and then also back toward Cumberland as well. As within this advisory is where we're most likely to see at least a couple of hours of sustained wintry mix. Not as likely to see that off to the east toward D.C. in the I-95 corridor. We'll break that down more here in a second, but again, the view out there today, not too bad, as we finally have calmed those winds down a little bit, and we were able to enjoy quite a bit of sunshine this morning, and that bumped up our temperatures nicely. We've reached the 40s from the mountains all the way over to the Chesapeake Bay shoreline, closer to 50 as you go east, and staying in those low 40s as you go off to the west. And yes, we did have sunny skies this morning, but you may have noticed it's quickly starting to cloud up out there as the very edge of this storm system is starting to throw some clouds our direction through the rest of the day today. But we're going to stay dry all the way through tonight, as a matter of fact, as this precipitation from this storm system tomorrow really doesn't start to take hold until about 7 to 9 o'clock in the morning. Now, in D.C., we could see a few flakes out there tomorrow morning, but nothing sustained. This is mostly going to be just a rain event along I-95 into the D.C. metro. You have to go back toward the Interstate 81 corridor to see at least that couple of hours worth of wintry mix before a very quick switch over to plain rainfall. And then farther west, as you get into the mountains, the mix will continue until about the early afternoon, 1 to 2 p.m. And then everybody will be just rainfall from there on out on your Wednesday afternoon and evening. So this is not going to be a major winter storm, but it certainly is enough to cause some headaches out there and make things a bit messy. Here you go. The rest of today, no concern whatsoever. Yes, we will have those clouds rolling back in, but no precipitation. Notice how that trend continues as we go through the night tonight. Now, as we start to approach 6 o'clock, we will have some light precipitation trying to take hold, but with how much dry air is out there, it's going to take a little bit of time. That's why we're expecting this precip to start around 7 to 8 a.m. But then it really does start to build in here. Notice the blue and the pink mixing in off to the west. Meanwhile, just green, just rainfall as you go toward D.C., the Beltway, and most of northern Virginia. There's that divide right along Interstate 81, and notice how that pink and blue of the mix and the snow, it continues to hang on as we go toward the middle of the day. But then that rain line slowly pushes west, and we'll see an end to that wintry mix by the middle of the afternoon, with most of this rainfall exiting out of here by the time we get into your Wednesday evening. So here you have it. We could see up to an inch of snow along that I-81 corridor, nothing too substantial, and then at most we'll have 3 to 4 inches back toward Kaiser and Cumberland, mostly through Allegheny County is where we could have that heaviest snowfall. So still a DMV first warn day tomorrow. Watch out for that messiness to the west, and then after that, looking pretty good as the extended forecast remains fairly quiet.